Good morning, student. This is the math workbook of class 6. Now we are continuing chapter 7. In previous video we have done 7.7. So now we will start 7.8. So student, this is the last worksheet of this chapter and your half-yearly syllabus also. After this worksheet, your half-yearly syllabus also done. So this is long answer type questions. So first question is, Rajat went on a 2-week holiday. He spent 2/3 of his holiday money in the first week and 1/4 in the second week. What fraction of his holiday money did he bring back home? So Rajat went on a 2-week holiday. Rajat जो है 2 week के हॉलीडे पे गया. He spent 2/3 of his holiday money in the first week. टोटल जितनी भी मनी थी उसका 2/3 पार्ट उन्होंने फर्स्ट वीक में स्पेंड किया एंड 1/4 पार्ट सेकेंड वीक में. सो वाट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ हिज हॉलीडे मनी, यानी कितना फ्रैक्शन में जो हॉलीडे की मनी थी वो वापस घर लेके आए. सो रजत स्पेंड ऑफ हिज मनी, हॉलीडे मनी इन फर्स्ट वीक 2/3, इन सेकेंड वीक इन 1/4. सो ही स्पेंड टोटल ऑफ हिज हॉलीडे मनी 2/3 प्लस 1/4. वी एड बोथ फ्रैक्शन, बोथ holiday money. So 8/3/12. So 11/12 spend money. So part of holiday money he bought back home. So we convert whole number 1. So 1 minus 11/12. So 12 minus 11. We LCM is 12. 1 12 are 12 and 12. 12 minus 11 is equal to 1/12. So he bring back home money 1/12 part. Question number second. The sum of two fractions is 7 whole 1/7. If one of the fractions is 3 whole 1/2, find the other fraction. So the sum of two fractions 7 whole 1/7. One fraction is 3 whole 1/2. The other fraction, we subtract one fraction from the sum of two fractions. So 7 whole 1/7 minus 3 whole 1/2. Now we convert into improper fraction. 7 7s are 49 plus 1 50. 50/7 and 3 2 are 6, 7/2. The LCM of 7 and 2 is 14. So 100 minus 42. We make the 14 both denominator. So we multiply by 2 in first fraction in numerator and denominator both, and multiply by 7 in second fraction in numerator and denominator both. So 100 minus 49/14. After subtraction, 49 subtract from 100, so 51. 51/14. This is the answer. Question number third. Aparna and Sunita ran a 200-meter race. Aparna took 60 whole 1/5 second and Sunita took 24 whole 3/4 second. How much longer did Sunita take? So Aparna takes time to complete 200-meter race is equal to 16 whole 1/5 second, and Sunita takes time to complete 200-meter race 24 whole 3/4 second. So Sunita take more time than Aparna, and that is 24 whole 3/4 minus 16 whole 1/5 second, because the whole number 24 is bigger than 16. So first we convert into improper fraction. So 24 multiply 4 plus 3 99/4, and 5 multiply 16 plus 1 is 81/5. So we find the LCM 4 and 5 is 20. So we make the both denominator 20. So we multiply by 5 in numerator and denominator. So 99 multiply 5 is 495, and we multiply by 4 in second fraction numerator and denominator. So 81 multiply 4 is 324. So after subtracting we got 171/20. So we convert into, this is improper fraction, we convert into mixed fraction. So 8 whole 11/20 second our answer. Question number 4. Himanshi school bag weight 5 whole 5/12 kg. She takes out his math book weight 1 whole 1/4 kg. English book weight is 3/4 kg from the bag. How much weight of the bag now? So The solution is weight of Himanshi school bag 5 whole 5.12. She takes out math book of weight is 1 whole 1/4 and English book weight is 3/4. So now weight of Himanshi bag 5 whole 1/5 5 whole 5/12 minus 1 whole 1/4 minus 3/4 because we subtract both book weight math book and English book. 65/12 we convert into mixed fraction to improper fraction and 5/4 3/4. So we take LCM 12 for 4 is 12. So 65 minus we convert, we make the both denominator 12 also. So we multiply by 3 into numerator and denominator in both fraction. So 15 minus 9. So first we add both negative value minus 15 and minus 9. So minus 15 and minus 9 is equal to minus 24. So 65 minus 24 is 41/12. Now we convert into mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 3 whole 5/12 kg is bag weight. Question number 5. A farmer has 24 cows. He purchased 6 more cows and wishes to give 1/2 of the total cow to the eldest son, 1/3 to the middle son, and remaining to the youngest son. Find the number of cow each son will get. So number of cow, a farmer has 24. Total cow has 24. He purchased more cow 6. So total cow is 30. 24 plus 6 30. He wishes to give number of cows to eldest son 1/2 of 30. Means half. So half cow is 30. This is 15. 30 multiply 1/2 is equal to 15 cows. So 15 cow got the eldest son and middle son is 1/3 of 30. So 30 multiply 1/3 is 3. Cancel out 30 10 times. So 10 cow got middle son. Now number of cow the youngest son is, we subtract eldest and middle son cows from the total cow. So total cow is 30 and eldest 15 and middle is 10. So 15 plus 10 is 25. So 25 subtract from 30 is 5. So youngest son got 5 cow. Question number 6. Karina rode her bicycle 6 whole 1/2 km in the morning and 8 whole 3/4 km in the evening. Find the distance traveled by her all together on that day. So Katrina rode her bicycle in the morning 6 whole 1/2 km. She rode her bicycle in the evening 8 whole 3/4 km. Total distance covered by her 6 whole 1/2 and 8 whole 3/4. Now convert into improper fraction 13/2 and 35/4. So LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. We make the denominator 4 in first fraction. So we multiply by 2 into numerator and denominator. So 13 2 is 26, 2 2 is 4 and 35/4. So 26 plus 35 is 61/4. So this is improper fraction. We convert into mixed fraction. So 15 whole 1/4 km is our answer. Question number 7. A rectangle is divided into certain number of equal parts. If 16 of the part so formed represent the fraction 1/4. Find the number of parts in which the rectangle has been divided. So 16 part of a rectangle represent fraction is equal to 1/4. So total part of the rectangle at the x, according to question, 1/4 of x is equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 multiply 4. So we multiply 4 to 16. So there are 64 parts. So hence the rectangle has been divided in 64 parts. Question number 8. A cup is 1/3 full of milk. What part of the cup is still to be finished by milk to make it full? At present the cup is 1/3 full of milk. The cup is still to be filled is, so total 1 minus 1/3. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2/3 part. answer. Question number 9. Najima gave 2 whole 3/4 liter out of the 5 whole 1/2 liter of juice. She purchased to her friend. How many liter to juice is left with her? So Najima had juice 5 whole 1/2 liter. She gave to her friend 2 whole 3/5 liter. So juice left with her. We subtract 2 whole 3/4 from 5 whole 1/2. So 5 whole 1/2 minus 2 whole 3/4. So first we convert into improper fraction. So 2 multiply 5 10 plus 1 11/2. 4 multiply 2 8 plus 3 11/4. So the LCM of 2 of 4 is 4. So we first fraction we make 4. So we multiply by 2 into numerator and denominator. So 11 2 is 22, 2 2 is 4. 22 minus 11 is upon 4 is 11/4. Now we convert into mixed fraction. So 2 whole 3/4 is answer. Question number 10. The length of a stick is 45 meter. What is the length of 2/9 of the stick? So the length of a stick is equal to 45 meter. Length of 2/9 of the stick is equal to 2/9 of 45. So we cancel 45 from 9 5 times. So 5 to the 10 meter. So length of 2/9 of the stick is 10 meter. Question number 11. Simplify 9/15 plus 3/21 minus 3/15. So first we find the LCM of 15, 21 and 5. So LCM is 105. Now we make the all same. So 15 multiply 6 multiply 7. So 7 multiply 9 is 63 and 15 and minus 63. So student, this is very simple. So we subtract 63, cancel 63 to 63 and 15/105 is left. So 3/21. We cut from 5. So 3/21 is answer. Question number 12. Naresh bought a plant that was 5 whole 2.3 centimeter tall. In the first week he grow 1 whole 5.10 centimeter and the next week it grow 2 whole 1.2 centimeter. Now how tall is Naresh plant? So height of the plant when Naresh bought 5 whole 2.3. Height grew of the plant in first week 1 whole 5.8. Height grew of the plant in next week 2 whole 1.2 centimeter. Now height of the plant is 5 whole 2.3, 1 whole 5.8 and 2 whole 1.52. So first we convert all fraction into improper fraction. So 17/3, 13/8 and 5/2. So the LCM of 3, 8 and 2 is 24. After solution 136, 39 and 60. So add all numbers. So 235/24. Now we convert into mixed fraction. After mixed fraction we got 9 whole 19/24. Question number 13. So student, this is the last question of this worksheet and this chapter also. So simplify 2 whole 1/2 plus 3 whole 2.3 minus 4 whole 1/4. So first we convert into improper fraction. So 5/2 plus 11/3 minus 17/4. Now we find the LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 12. So we make the all denominator 12. So we multiply by 6 in first fraction in numerator and denominator both. So 5 is 30/12. In second fraction we multiply by 4 in numerator and denominator. So 11 multiply 4 is 44 and third is multiply by 3. So 17 3 are 51. So first we add 30 and 44 74 minus 51. So after subtracting we got 23/12. Then we convert into mixed fraction. 1 whole 11/12 is the answer. So student, our worksheet 7.8 is done and this chapter 7 is also done and your half yearly syllabus also completed of chapter 6 of class 6.